The villagers caught 11 Bangladeshi in the house of Dhananjoy Debnath and handed over to police and BSF by good means on Friday. Among them, there were 3 men, 4 women and 4 children. This incident took place in Korliatila. There is a big question mark regarding the service of border security forces in the borders of Bangladesh-Tripura borders. How did many Bangladeshi are crossing the border fence so easily and entered India through Tripura borders every single day? Where are the security forces? Are the big officers involved in this matter? The people wants to know. As usual, the villagers caught 11 Bangladeshi in the house of Dhananjoy Debnath and handed over to police and BSF by good means on Friday. Among them, there were 3 men, 4 women and 4 children. Incident took place in Korliatila. According to the report, it was known that these illegal migrants from Bangladesh were on their way to Bangladesh coming from Gujarat. Police are now investigating over this case. What strict actions will the police take against these Bangladeshi? The time will tell. How are these people trespassing every single day with ease through borders? Bureau Report, Chini, Khorang.